All right, guys, the other day I walked in the grocery store and there was about a $4,000 bike parked outside. Crappy chain, and it had one of these WordLocks on it. I had not seen these before, so naturally I get online and see what I can find. These came from Amazon, less than $10 to secure a $4,000 bike. So I had to know how secure it was. I'm not impressed. I mean, you can feel that shackle moving. You can hear stuff moving around inside of there. You really can't expect a lot. Very light construction body. It's aluminum. This looks like cast aluminum. We could probably melt this thing if we wanted to. I don't know. Combination. We're not going to even mess with the combination. Let me get it out of the package. Give us a closer look. Come out there, you. Whoops. All right, so there's our combination, but I am not going to mess with that. This thing is junk. I can tell by looking. First of all, at this price point, there aren't a lot of high security features in something like this. And you need to know that when you're securing your $4,000 bike. We could probably shim this. There's probably locking pawls, but from the way this moves so easily in and out, I can tell you the springs that hold that shackle in place, the springs on the locking pawls, are very, very weak. So rather than mess around trying to pick this thing, I've got another technique. I've used it on padlocks before called the wrapping technique. The idea being that if this was on a chain, we would pull down on the lock body and then we would hit it on either side, and the energy from the strike on here would transfer to the locking pawl and it would bounce it out of those cutouts. I don't have a chain. I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to push. Just like that, I'm going to push down, pull up on the shackle, and then I'm going to hit it right here with my corkscrew. So let's try it. Let's pull it, and I'm going to try to bounce those pins or those locking pawls out of the cutouts. So let's give it a shot right here. How easy is that? I just got a $4,000 bike with my corkscrew. What a hunk. Anyway, we couldn't expect much for $10. And from WordLock, yeah, we don't get much. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. Stay away from WordLock. Let's try that again. Man, that was too easy. You got to maintain tension. If you release your tension, basically you got to start over. So let's try that again. Now that I know how much tension to put on it, that is shameful. What a piece of crap.